Okay, video 3 for these speaker bezels. We're going to use the loft tool around a circle, a bit like the sweep, but we're going to do a speaker bezel that is asymmetrical. Okay, so we're going to get into it. So first job, horizontal plane, circle at 51. Finish sketch. New sketch. Vertical plane. Just orbit down a little bit. Create these intersecting points. Okay, right. Now we're going to do profiles, but we're going to do two different profiles. So we'll do the basic one here first. So I'm going to zoom in. Do this one first. 2, 12, and 5. Okay. Down 1. Across 5. God, I hope I got that right. And finish. Do a slightly different one. No, we'll keep it the same sort of format. So I'm going to go tab, get degrees, 135. That's locked in. And tab again. Make that 8 along the hypotenuse. And we'll go to the spline tool. Now that seems a bit big, so I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to adjust it. Double click and make that 6. Okay, spline tool. I'm happy with that. Cancel. Now we'll do the other side. Two. What happened to that? 2. I'm in trouble with the mouse. 12. 1. And this time we'll go heaps bigger. So make that 20 instead of 5. Finish. Okay. Line tool again. That's it there. We'll go tab for 45 to the degrees. 45. No, 135. And tab again for a measurement. We'll stick with around the 6 mark. But then the spline tool. And finish. Happy with that. Finish sketch. Adjust these a little bit. Okay, go home. Now hopefully this is going to work. So, loft. So that's profile 1. A rail. Our center point, center line. That's our center line. I'm going to add another profile. Profile 2. Fantastic, that worked. Now we're going to close it. Okay. Go home. That looks alright, doesn't it? So that makes a very interesting speaker bezel. This could be the top here in the speaker. So that's what I want, that's the top. Looks like it's projecting the sound down, or it could be the other way around, who knows. Okay. So we'll go home, we'll put holes in this just in case you didn't see the other videos that include the holes. So we'll put holes in this. So I'm going to look at the bottom. I'm going to click on go sketch, put on this face here. We're going to go to construction, draw some lines, some reference lines at 45 degrees. So tab to get to degrees, 45, enter. Another one. Hopefully this snaps. 135. And finish that one. Hopefully this snaps at 90. Enter. Did I miss that? I missed that. I'm going to undo that one. Make sure it snaps properly. Right. It's got an extra line there, but I don't think that matters. Now I want that to snap at 135. Enter. Again, we want to do those holes, 47 mil. Another construction line. I want that 23.5, which is half of the 47. And we're going to put another one across that way to intersect. 23.5, correct. And cancel. Okay, now that we've done the construction, we're going to do the circles. What we have to make sure we do is turn off construction. Right, circles. That one should snap into there. 4 mil. Enter. I'm going to zoom in a bit. Snap onto there. So when it's blue there, it's in line. There it is. God, this is temperamental. Click. 4. So you can also, as well as getting the circle there, you can do a right mouse click, repeat center circle. 4, enter. Enter. Right, done. Finish sketch. Go home, and we just push pull. Right mouse click, press pull. Right, cancel. Okay, we're going to go to the bottom because that's where the sketch was. Now we should be able to go press pull. Click on those. 1, 2, 3, 4, as long as we're more than about 6, we should be good. And we should have holes. Shift key, hold the shift key down and we can orbit. There we go. Done. Finito. We'll just go home. So that's that one done. The loft is probably one you wouldn't really use, but I thought I'd chuck that technique in there. You can do it if you want something asymmetrical. The easiest one to do is probably this one here if you don't want any detail, but if you're going to do one with more detail around it and complex shapes, you can either do the revolve or the sweep. Both are fine. Okay? Right, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.